In 2019, IRT conducted a subjective test to determine the added value of UHD TV for the viewers. It was the first test with a holistic evaluation including all four main UHD features, which are resolution, frame rate, color space, and dynamic range. The resolution is the number of horizontal and vertical pixels. With UHD TV, the number of lines doubles from 1080 lines for HD TV to 2160 lines. That means in UHD TV there are 4 times as many pixels as in HD TV. As an example, a UHD display would be 4 times as large as an HD display, or it would have a 4 times finer pixel raster, respectively. Viewers can only perceive this advantage at a short viewing distance. At a typical couch distance in the living room, there is no added value by a higher resolution. The frame rate is another parameter that increases with UHD TV. More frames per second lead to a clearer and smoother presentation of even fast movements. The color space represents the range of all colors that can be displayed. The larger the color space, the more colors can be displayed on screen. Dynamic range is the simultaneous presentation of very bright and very dark image areas. HDR, high dynamic range, refers to a dynamic range higher than the previous standard range. These 4 UHD parameters can be combined with each other in different ways. In a subjective test in 2019, IRT has investigated which combination can be easily implemented in a production environment and creates the greatest wow effect for the viewer. Our study confirms that UHD does not only mean more pixels, but most importantly better pixels. From a technical point of view, using 1080p50 with HDR and wide color gamut would be the way forward with a good balance between economic aspects and perceived image quality. However, the international market must also be taken into account. Relevant aspects are multiple usage of content as well as the brand value of a format. The most important result of this investigation is that HDR brings the greatest leap in subjectively perceived quality, regardless of viewing distance and resolution. You can find more information on this topic in our technical reports and on our website lab.irt.de.